Want to show categories on your site in a clean, easy to browse way? Make them pop instantly with modern, clickable grids using the free Elementor Woo Category Grid widget by XPRO. So let's get started. First, make sure WooCommerce and XPRO add-ons are installed. That's all you need. So this is the category layout we're going to build today. Users can click on any category and instantly view the related products. Let's delete it. Now from the search panel, search for the Woo Grid widget by XPRO and simply drag it onto the page. By default, the widget automatically fetches your WooCommerce categories. If you haven't created one, go to your WordPress dashboard, select Products, Categories. Here you can see the categories you have created. Create your category here, assign parent category if needed, and most importantly, upload an image for each category. Once done, click Publish. Next, open your products and make sure each product is assigned to the correct category. I'm using Quick Edit here, but you can also do this while creating the product. If you want a full product setup tutorial, I have linked it in the description. Now refresh the page so the new category created is added. We will start with the Query tab. Here you control what categories appear. First is Items per page, where you can set how many categories to appear per page, setting it to 6. In this exclude option, add the categories you don't want to show in the grid. Then decide how the categories should be ordered by title, date, or last modified, and whether the order should be descending Z to A or ascending A to Z. Enable this toggle if you don't want to show categories that do not have any image. And if there is any category that has 0 products, enable hide empty option and it hides that categories that have no products in it. So this section is done. Now on to the General tab. Here you can decide from 10 unique layouts. Choose the one that fits your design. Set the number of columns and image resolution from here. You can enable or disable the title, product count, description, shop button. You can keep it simple with just a title and show count like I did. The count shows how many products are inside each category. If you want this entire category card to be clickable, enable full div clickable. This is especially useful if you have disabled the button. The Content tab is done. Now let's move on to the Style tab. Here in the General, adjust the height and space between the images. From the Object Fit drop-down, select the option that best fits your images. Adjust the space between the cards. You can also add depth with the box shadow, adjust it horizontal, vertical direction, adjust the blurriness. You can also add a border if you like. Feel free to play with these options. Add an overlay to your images on normal and hover. Hover is what appears when we move the mouse cursor on the card. Next, the Content tab. Here set the horizontal and vertical alignment of your text. Feel free to use these options like background color and more. Next, set the typography for the title. Select size, weight, color, and that's it. Let's publish the page and take a final look. And that's how you can easily display all your WooCommerce categories in a clean, modern grid using this widget. So if you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing videos. Thank you for watching.